paying for grass, I can't put it back, it's gone from the pasture now. I'm putting good hay into bad horses that shouldn't even be around. Nothing out there but a couple old mares that belong to the kids and the wife. A few old friends that I can't put down, cripples and colts of mine. I got an old paint horse, don't know what for, haven't used him in years. Guess I keep him around so the old days don't totally disappear. Kinda like me, he's taking it easy, tired of running around. Too many miles behind us to wanna go somewhere now. Got nothing to lose and nothing to show, but I got a little too much left to let it all go. Too many seasons and not enough time. Too many horses and nothing to ride. A couple good colts that I should have sold back when I had the chance. Now I keep them around to pay money any chance that I can. They're getting outside or caught in the wire, knocking the top off the oats. It's been a good year since I got them, and I still got a couple to go. I got nothing to lose and nothing to show, but I got a little too much left to let it all go. Too many seasons and not enough time. Too many horses and nothing to ride. I got way too many dads